Discover nature's soothing secret. Lavender tea can be your calming ally against coughs. In fact, amid serene lavender fields, nature reveals its gentle remedy. So let's dive into the world of aromatic wellness as we wander these tranquil fields. Pluck fragrant blooms, smell their magic, and discover the perfect cup. Indeed, brewing lavender tea offers not just relief, but also serenity with each sip. Its natural touch soothes the throat and gently calms. Moreover, the enchanting aroma promises clearer breaths and peaceful paths. Picture yourself, cozy and content. Ready to try? Join us for more uplifting journeys by liking, commenting, and subscribing now. There's a world of natural wonders waiting for you.